Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit checkbox border in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now edit this checkbox border. Currently this checkbox there is no border. Now select tools option and select here prepare from option and click this selection icon and drag your mouse, select and right click from your mouse for properties, select. The border color currently disabled. I'll choose this border color. Also you can choose line thickness. I'll choose medium. Line style border. I'll choose dash. So this color. Also you can change fill color. Now you can change check symbol color. See this. And simply select close and preview and see this. Checkbox border color already changes and edit it. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.